Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the 1xBet account email or phone is current, because authentication ties to that contact. Next, install Google Authenticator or Authy on the device you will use. Make sure backups are enabled so you don't lose codes. Finally, gather your 1xBet login, password, and any previously saved backup codes. This reduces delays. Once done, open 1xBet and go to the security or account settings to begin linking the authenticator. Don't skip backups or verification steps. You will now link the authenticator. Go to 1xBet Security, choose two-factor authentication, and select Google Authenticator. Then open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed, or tap to enter the manual key if scanning fails. The app generates a 6-digit code. Type that code into 1xBet and submit to confirm. Make sure to copy and securely store the backup codes 1xBet offers. This protects you if your device is lost or you reinstall the app. Finish by testing a fresh login with two-factor authentication to ensure the flow works and codes refresh correctly. If a code is rejected, first sync your phone's time with network time because authenticators rely on tight clock sync. Then retry or re-enter the manual key. If you still can't access the account, use one of the saved backup codes to sign in, and then reset 2FA from account settings. One troubleshooting tip: keep a printed backup code in a safe place in case of device loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.